Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. So today we're doing a speed test comparison between the Vivo X11 Plus versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So let's see which one is faster. Both of these have very good, both of them have 6 gigs of RAM, with this one having 128 gigs of internal storage and this one having 64 gigs of internal storage. Let's go ahead and see which one does the best, see which one does better. I will leave some of the specs so you guys can see the full specs of this video. But let's get into it and see. There's no apps running in the background currently. So let's go ahead and see which one beats out. This one costs $909. This one costs $330. You could get it for about $280 depending if you can get it on sale, but it usually retails for about $330, so not bad. So let's go ahead and do a speed test and see which one wins. So 1, 2, 3. Ooh, so there we go. So the Vivo took that one. Looks like Galaxy took that one. I would say that's a tie. Ooh, definitely a tie. Here we go. Now we're doing games that should take a little bit more of the RAM. And guys, I'm clicking these at the same time. So Galaxy took that one. Let's do the camera. Ooh, spot a tie. Ooh, would say the Vivo took that one. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. I said tempered glass with them, so usually the touch is a little bit off. So, but overall, some Vivo and some Galaxy have one, so not bad at all. Let's see which one loads a little bit quicker. Ooh, what? The Vivo's taking this one this time. Let's see if I can click them at the same time. There you go. So that one was clicked at the same time. There you go, guys. You can actually see it. Wow, definitely the Vivo's taking this one. Oh, look at that. Actually, the Galaxy took that one, looks like. So definitely Galaxy by just a hair, so not bad at all. So let's go ahead and do calendar. Galaxy took that one. Let's do Breakneck, another good game. Ooh, so it looks like the Galaxy is loading there a little bit. I hate when these pop-ups come up, guys. It kind of makes it unfair, but I will do it again. But definitely does look like the Galaxy is loading quicker. Let's do one more. Breakneck. So which one loads quicker? Hopefully we don't have any advertisement. I said that I hate doing that. It's not my fault. So there you go. So there you go. Galaxy is loading. So now this one got the advertisement. But still it loaded quicker. So definitely Galaxy took this one even with the advertisement. So not bad at all. There you go. So still I would say it's basically almost a tie. Galaxy does take it by just a hair, I would say. Alright, so let's go ahead and do one more. Ooh, I would say Galaxy by just a hair. Let's do Play Store. Tie. Let's do Asphalt 9. Ooh, looks like the Galaxy is loading a little bit quicker. Like I said, but overall, yep, look at that. Galaxy loaded. So maybe a sec or two later, the Vivo caught up. Let's do Temple Run 2. The Galaxy is barely beating it by just a hair too. That's crazy, guys. Like I said, look at that. Galaxy took that one, but there you go. As you can see, the Vivo comes next. So there you go. You have the answer there. Let's go ahead and do Modern Combat 5, another graphic intensive game. And let me move it over here a little bit so you can kind of see it a little bit better. In the middle, Ooh, Galaxy loaded that one. But like I said, guys, it loads it, but just by hair after that, the Vivo comes next, which is pretty amazing. So let's do Into the Dead 2. So there's not much of a gap, to tell you the truth. Like I said, for this one being $909 and this one being $330, I mean, wow. So let's see which one loads this one quicker. Definitely looks like the Galaxy is loading first. And yep, there we go. So the Galaxy did win that one. But for like about a second back that the Vivo is, it's not bad at all, guys. But definitely the Galaxy is taking that one. So thanks to that Snapdragon, I mean, Snapdragon's killer. So let's go ahead and do eBay. Ooh, the Vivo took that one. So not bad at all, guys. Overall, the Galaxy is a little bit snappier than the Vivo 11 Plus or the but it's not bad. Like I said, for the price, I would definitely say I would recommend the Vivo over the Galaxy for quickness, but overall performance and just the camera and overall smartphone, the Galaxy of course would take this one, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hopefully this was informative. I actually wanted to see this myself to see which one was quicker, and I was actually surprised that the Vivo was able to almost keep up with the Galaxy S9 Plus, with there being such a big price difference between them, especially. I mean, that is pretty cool, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you.